All right, still in the car, 77 Trans Am. Maddie's getting excited because, well, all this new stuff is getting thrown at her car, right? Now we're talking tunes. And believe it or not, this is something that you rarely find. We want to leave the 8-track in it, right?
Definitely.
It's cool.
Why wouldn't I?
Exactly. When's the last time we saw an 8-track in a car? Now, here's the great part. It's gonna have, yes, an 8-track, but it's also gonna have all the new features compared to what was there in 77 in this guy right here. Some Custom Autosound. It is their USA-850. Now this thing has all the goods, all the digital dial technology, everything you could have in a new car is right there. Bluetooth cable, it's even got a mic in cord, subwoofers, anything and everything you want, and she's gonna definitely have some subwoofers under the seat. Again, man, Custom Autosound, you've seen them retrofit all kinds of old, cool, classic cars, and they're very specific. This one, for a 70, right? 77 Firebird, boom, that's us, right? So you know this is gonna fit in there without having to cut anything away. You've seen old muscle cars that put new stereos in it. A lot of times, they gotta cut all this cool stuff out. We wanna leave that because it looks kinda cool. Got it mostly unbolted. If you reach back there, man, I think it should just pop out.